If you're going to use AI to charge people money for stuff, at least charge them for something you've made money doing before. Well, so really what happened with like AI coding is a lot of people that wouldn't normally take action on some kind of like idea they have for an app or a software or whatever, it kind of pushed them past that point of saying, hey, I don't have to pay somebody tens of thousands of dollars to build something that I just want to test. Like now AI can do it for me and I can get a prototype. The real like kind of boundary comes when you're actually ready to start letting other people use it. And there's really no better, like there's no more obvious point of when you really want that real world accountability and that real world expertise than when you're about to ask somebody for money for something that you built that you have no idea how it works. There was a story on X, man, where this kid vibe coded a whole app and he got to like $20,000 a month in revenue and he was trying to use Claude to improve it and then it just broke it completely and he had no idea how to fix it. And he actually got like a $50,000 Cloudflare bill or something like that, like for the infrastructure he was using. And he's like, I cannot pay this. This is insane. Like the app's not even making this much money. And like a bunch of senior developers were like, well, yeah, look at what you did. Like, look at how it runs. Because he was open about it. Yeah, he was open about it. He was just like, yeah, like here's, everything it did. Here's an answer to your question based on what I said to it. But, it just fully trusted it.
This is the whole reason why we have the wall of shame segment, like this just bound to happen. And even more so now.
Well, no. And that's the thing is like, that is definitely where the litmus test comes in and where you have to understand where the responsibility lies. If you're going to start asking people for money for something, it's going to come back to you. Like they're going to ask you like, hey, what is going on? Why is this not working? How do I get my money back? And then you're screwed, right? So that's ultimately what I would say is like, it doesn't matter how good the AI is or how good the people claim the AI is to be. At the end of the day, it's going to come back on you and you're going to be the one that has to face the consequences for what this does. If you bring on a team member, one team member, even a consultant, at least you have some kind of plausible deniability to be like, hey, I didn't just do this on my own. I talked to somebody else and they told me that this was good. And here's the proof of what I did for testing and about, like at least you have some level of plausible deniability to say, I didn't just fully test it on this completely unproven technology called AI, and like put all my eggs in this one basket and took all your money and bet it with me, right? Like that's what people get mad about.
So many people are doing this right now. Exactly that. Like, Jesus, Claude, take the wheel, like.
Yeah, exactly. Like a lot of people are. And a lot of times it can, and it's great. A lot of times it's very good and it's very smart. But yeah, sometimes it just misses the smallest things, and that's where the accountability comes in.
I'll add one more thing I love to say on this when this topic comes up. It's like AI is going to get you somewhere a lot faster than you normally would. So if you're trying to get to point A to point B, and it's got clear direction of where it's going, and you actually know where point B is, awesome. But if you don't know where the hell you're going and how to get there normally, it could take you to point C, D, or Z. You don't fucking know. You don't know. So it's like...
Yeah. You wouldn't take a supercharged Tesla brand new car you've never driven before on a back road you've never driven before, right? Like that's essentially what these people are doing. Like people are just saying like, damn, this thing is fast. This road looks cool. I'm going to try it out. And like, even still, at least drive it down a road you've seen before, right? Like if nothing else, if you ignore everything else I say, if you're going to use AI to charge people money for stuff, at least charge them for stuff you've charged them for in the past, like something you've made money doing before, you have experience in the real world doing it. A brand new car on a brand new road that you've never seen before is just not it's not a good idea, right? Like ultimately it's going to end in chaos. So there's your friendly advice for the day.
Hey, David Morello here, your host from SaaS with DaaS podcast. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and check out some of our other clips right here. And you can go ahead and see one of our other episodes or even clips from this same episode from SaaS with DaaS podcast. We'll see you on the next one.